Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the new updates for the Canva and what are the new updates of the Canva. So let's go. Head on to your Canva app and just open it. Now you will see all the small letter like boxes. Just hit on them individually, and once you hit on them, then you will be on the screen which is congratulations, you made it, you are the person. And I am 361,726th person to unlock this wonder. It seems kind of a movie to me, and let's go. So it is very magical, visualization by the Canva, and as we are looking into it, we are finding it more interesting. I won't skip the whole tutorial. I want you to show whole tutorial right now. And right now we are here. So what is new in this Canva? I will tell you step by step what's new in this Canva. So if we click on this option, what's new, it will tell us what is exactly new. So here is a list of all the customization of launches which are happening in Canva. The first one is the Canva AI, which is your all-in-one AI assistant that generates and edits content using text or voice commands. The next one is the magic charts. It instantly turned raw data into stunning interactive charts with the AI powered visualizations. Then there's a magic studio at scale, which is you can create, customize, and automate the branded content across the teams using the fast AI method. The fourth one is the more powerful photo editor, which is editing suite with background remover, auto enhance, and some of the AI stuff. Then it's the bulk create. Earlier we used to select one by one photos and remove the backgrounds. With this bulk create, you can select all the photos and remove the backgrounds for each one of them instantly. The one is the Canva Sheets, which is the main thing, and it has gained a lot of attraction. It's basically a smart spreadsheets that bring data to life with visuals, insights, and AI generated things, and all in one visual suite. So in this one, you can design everything from photos to documents to videos to websites, everything at one place. You don't have to go separately for each and everything. And that is what the changes are coming. I will make sure I will make the change. I will make sure I will make the videos for each of these changes separately, and I will put a series of that as well. And that's all for today. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box, and see you in the next one.